Well, Henshaw here again. There's been a local constitutional coup from California. And this is a shout out, especially to Africans and Asians in particular, about the NAACP and the ACLU. They are not your friends. All they do is argue BS 14th Amendment issues like due process of law, equal protection, and all of that crap. And these are law school graduates, right? They've been to law school for 6 years. They're supposed to know the law, right? And do the right thing by it. Even if they know, they don't do it. Unless maybe you're Hunter fucking Biden and you get a gratuitous pardon by your dad, because they will raise issues of the type I'm talking about here. But they couldn't give a rat's ass about you. And I suspected we could go back to 1906 and find records that the NAACP got a lot of original funding money from the New York gangsters. Get out there, make it look good. On rare occasion, you even have to win a case like Rodney King, for example, or on a more limited basis, George Floyd. But even then, what we want is to get back, to our federated Republican form of government of defined and limited powers. There's nothing hard about this, ordained and established, by the way, by the racist framers, who set up everything just fine. And yet look where we are now. I mean, it's that bad. And this, if we had that original government back, now you got 8 law enforcement thugs who shoot Jalen Walker in the back 48 times during the course of a traffic stop over which the court would not have had jurisdiction, and nobody even gets indicted for manslaughter. That's going to change 180 degrees because we have created endowed rights, and they should damn well know it. And it's especially important here, as you'll learn. Send me an email, youwinningcourt@gmail.com. We have to go after what I can prove is the federal territorial governor who has the sworn duty to see the laws are faithfully executed. None of the BS 14th Amendment crap. As you'll learn, the 14th Amendment not only doesn't exist, it never did. And I can prove all that a cappella off the top of my head. So we all have to start working together here. The sovereign body politic of the nation and republic, Africans, Asians, if we all work together, that's their worst nightmare. Because they're not going to get over that, and you will have enforceable rights. And now those people that shot Jalen Walker 48 times in the back not only get indicted, they get indicted for first degree murder, and their asses are soon enough going to be in close proximity to cell 2455 in San Quentin on death row. That's a hell of a lot better than any of the civil rights BS that the NAACP and the ACL just loves. Get rid of it already. Get rid of them. Learn here, learn how to do it. Send me an email, youwinningcourt@gmail.com. And if we all work together and we can do it, and I gotta say at the end there, yes, I could be readily construed to be one of those flaming white supremacists, but that's the winning issue. As they found out in my South Carolina case, I'll be talking about that in the next video. That it's amazing, it really is. But that's the right issue, right or wrong, or good or bad. And if we get back to that point, we can make changes in the Constitution and do it right this time. So that's another big deal also. But the ACLU and the ACP are never going to get it done. They have to be permitted to win once in a while, quote unquote, to make it look good. But no serious changes in the status quo. That's what we're going after, and you should love to be working with me across the board here because we can get it done. And how many of these people is it going to take to end up on death row before they get the idea to obey their oaths of office, to be bound by this Constitution and laws enacted and pursuant thereof? Remember to subscribe, like the videos, get the word out. The sooner we act, the sooner we can make things better, not only for us, but your families and your posterity. How great of a gift is that? Send me an email, uwinnincourt@gmail.com, and we can start down the road and see how long it's going to take. Thank you.